Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to Marga Nation. This is MK. In this video I'm going to show you a food. This is video is all about a food review, Optimum Super Premium Formula. So many friends ask me that they don't have enough time to make homemade food. What I showed you previously, how I make my homemade food for guppies for better immunity and better color, so that they can easily get color within 1 and 2 months and full adult. So if you don't have enough time to make such a kind of homemade food and this kind of foods, so you have to buy food from fish market, and there are many fish food company that they make many kind of foods. But if you want to grow your fish faster and want to get them color very nice, so if you have to use a better food and better food system for them. This food is for goldfish, koi carp, comet, but if you want, you can use this food for your guppies and mollies. This is a best food, I think, because it's 3 in 1. Three kind of element is just one packet. So it also have 12% of spirulina powder. So if you use spirulina, you know that spirulina are very expensive, because human spirulina are natural and they are very costly. If you use this food, you can get rid of spirulina, and it has beta glucan and probiotic. And if I see the instruction, I get disappointed that because they use some kind of other language here, and English is okay. I got English here, and I think it's a Thai language. Again, Thai language. This is food from Thailand. You can also buy it from online, because Optimum company is very famous for their food and product. Ingredients: it has fish meal, shrimp or shrimp byproducts meal, poultry meal, corn gluten meal, soybean meal, blah blah, fish oil and other things. And if I saw here that it has cold protein minimum 38%, cold fat minimum 4%. This is very very helpful for fish. And coat ash maximum 12%, moisturizer 10%. And here I get one kind of link that Optimum Club Thailand, contact at blah, some kind of website address here. And the other side, they have a address: manufactured and distributed by Thailand, and imported and distributed by some Malaysian company. Okay, now take off this and let's take a look in our fish food. You can see here that zip system, fresh sealed. Okay, I have a scissor luckily, so I cut it here. That's showed me what. Okay, cut it. It's very hard packing. Thanks Optimum companies to make this kind of food for our fish. We are very happy, because these food are not much that kind of expensive comparing other fish food. Okay, these foods are also expensive. I don't say that these food are very really cheap, but as a comparison, as you compare that this food with other fish food, these are very much cheaper than other. And okay, here this food. Some kind of green and gray color. It's not gray, brown something I think. So let's get my farm and see if the fish like this food or not. Then we'll have a honest review. Sorry, honest review about this food and guppy. I don't think this guppy reject this food because this food are very look like very nice, and many breeders suggest this food me. And no more talk, let's go and find out if this food guppy like this food or not. This zip lock, so you can easily lock this without any kind of box and other thing. It has zip lock system, and if you want to buy this food, you have to make sure that this food are original. You buy the original one, because this original one comes with 6% or 12% spirulina. Here any kind of Thai language here and here, and also Thai language here. Here some small palette. You can see the original packing color. The color is very nice, and also here the name. It's 40-gram package. Many companies make duplicate product and fake product, so you have to make sure that you purchase the only right and genuine product. Just see the packaging. This is a genuine product. So let's go and see what happened. Okay friends, back again. As you can see, this is my red tail platinum elephant ear tank, and it has produced a much it's a what I say, it's a bigger tank, and you can see a lot of guppy here, including fries, adult and other male female are here. So I just want to see that these guppies like it or either not. Okay, now unpack this. It's a zip lock, so you can easily open it from here. Take some food. If you want, you can also make them powder and use them. So this is food and this is fish. Now take a look what happen if I give them this food without any kind of making powder and other. Oh my god, they like this food very much. Just take a look what happened here. All the fish gather here and they just bite these foods. You can see they just want to take a bite this food. Here all the food are vanished. Here if I take them back here, you can see here. I think these fish like this food very much. If you want to give this food to the fries, you have to make them powder in blender machine. You can use blender machine or any kind of other machine to make them powder. And you can see the fish like this food very much, so I gave them more to eat. So it's lot. Okay, it's much healthier, much cheaper and much efficient food for guppy, molly, platy, any kind of small fish, and also best for goldfish, koi carp and other. Make sure you buy the original product from authorized seller on seller or importer. This is the original packing, you can see. Thanks friends for watching. If you don't subscribe the channel, please subscribe and let me know if you have any kind of problem. Also, if you have any kind of suggestion for me and my food, fish, and also my fish tank setup and any other kind of question, please let me know. And like this video, share this video with your friends. And last thing, be safe, stay home. Goodbye.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?